Disability applicants generally have their best chance of being approved for benefits at a hearing before an administrative law judge. However, the process doesn't end there, and there is a path towards approval even if you do get denied by that judge. The next step would be to file your claim to the Appeals Council, and after that into federal court. But both levels are very different from that first hearing. At your disability hearing, the only question that the judge is there to answer is, are you disabled? However, after you've been denied by a judge, the question is no longer are you disabled? It's did the judge make any harmful legal error in their decision? That's the key. You could be completely unable to work, but if the judge followed the rules, even if you disagree with the decision, it's likely to be upheld. But if the judge ignored important medical evidence, failed to explain their reasoning, relied on flawed testimony, or misapplied the rules, that's when a case might get sent back for a new hearing. Now, federal court has an added layer. In addition to Social Security's regulations and rulings, judges apply federal court case law, meaning decisions from other courts that interpret how the disability process should work. That gives federal judges more room to question bad decisions, but it still comes down to whether the process was fair, not whether they personally agree that you're disabled. And while the remand rate in federal court is relatively high, that's often because only the strongest legal arguments make it that far. It's not automatic. But when errors are clear and documented, a remand can give you another real shot at approval. If you got denied at a hearing, it's not necessarily the end. The question now is, did the judge get it wrong legally? Comment if you've been denied by a judge before, and how did that impact you?